Hello everyone, it's Crypto Nobes here, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Chainlink. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 300 likes, and I also want to know down below, what price do you think Chainlink's all-time high will be in 2021? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Nobes Patreon. We have the loyal supporter membership where you can help support the channel. We have the brand new gold membership where you'll receive access to my VIP group on Discord, where I'll provide my top cryptocurrency shouts every month, potential coin breakouts, and cryptocurrencies you should potentially look into. And finally, we have the diamond membership where if you are brand new to cryptocurrency, just getting started, or if you need help at all with your portfolio, I will help you to the best of my ability. I will answer any questions you have about cryptocurrency, and I'll also offer any personal support. You will also get access to all the previous tiers. I would advise checking it out as we are looking to build one of the strongest crypto communities out there. If it's something you think you might be interested in, I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comment section down below. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Bitcoin has broken its all-time high again. We have seen the levels of $33,000, which is absolutely insane. It is showing no signs at all of slowing down, and I do think that we will see 100k Bitcoin this year. If we do end up seeing those sort of levels, the rest of the market is going to explode. Ethereum is also doing incredibly well in response to Bitcoin, and the market cap is currently at $845 billion, which we have never seen before. We are getting incredibly closer to that $1 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is currently at $32,492, Ethereum is at $783, XRP is at 22 cents, Polkadot is at a very nice run up to $9.59, Cardano is at 18 cents, and Chainlink is currently at $12.25. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Chainlink, so let's start off with its price. Chainlink is currently up 8% over the last 7 days, it is down 12% over the last 30 days, it is up 33% over the last 90 days, and it is still up an incredible 577% over the past year. And if I show you its chart on the 30 day, as you can see here, not much action happening at all for Chainlink. We were seeing a lot of sideways action, and then we ended up seeing a big dip, but since then we are looking in very bullish territory. If I show you its chart on the 12 month, this is what Chainlink has done throughout this entire year. We have seen Chainlink go from the levels of $2 or less to the levels of $19.79, and now we are staying very strong above the $10 mark. A lot of people are doubting Chainlink at the moment just because we have not seen some crazy moves over the past couple months, but a lot of people seem to forget that we are over 600% up throughout this year. Chainlink is showing signs very similar to what Ethereum did in 2017. Ethereum ended up hovering around the $10 mark for quite a while, and then we ended up seeing it go to $1,400. So anything is possible with cryptocurrency, we just have to stay patient. Chainlink is one of my strongest positions, and I am very bullish for its future. We're now going to take a look at the first piece of news to do with Chainlink, and this article says Chainlink's plans for blockchain and beyond in 2021. In 2021, Chainlink wants to set blockchains humming with a large amount of data for maximum innovation, says co-founder Sergey Nazarov. In brief, in 2021, Chainlink will continue to focus on the security and reliability of its Oracle network, says co-founder Sergey Nazarov. The startup wants to bring more data from different sectors on chain to provide a rich environment for development. Chainlink is also seeing interest in its services from outside of the blockchain space. In the past year, decentralized Oracle provider Chainlink has been named one of 2020's most outstanding technology pioneers by the World Economic Forum. It has been integrated by over 300 projects and has seen its Link token shoot up in the top 10 as one of the year's best performing crypto assets. If 2020 was Chainlink's year, it's fair to say that the company co-founder Sergey Nazarov has high expectations to meet in 2021. He told Decrypt that the startup has two ambitious goals for the coming year. The first is a continued focus on the security and reliability of Chainlink's oracles, so that the network can scale to accommodate tens of billions of dollars in value. The second is to provide a data-rich environment in which to build the smart contracts that will continue to define our industry. With that, he said we will seed ecosystems where developers can now build things that they couldn't build before. Data and Deco, the Oracle network, which enables smart contracts to securely access off-chain data feeds, web APIs, and traditional finance streams, is banking on bringing a wealth of verified data to the blockchain space in 2021. You are going to see a depth of data in DeFi, you are going to see a breadth of data as well, Nazarov told Decrypt, that ranges from sports data to insurance data covering weather, shipping and enterprise use cases. There is going to be all these various datasets, he added. We can't even predict how many people are going to build around them. They'll build fascinating things like prediction markets, all kinds of use cases that I'm extremely excited to see. Instrumental in Chainlink's plans in 2020, acquisition of Deco, a verification protocol of oracles. Developed by Cornell University researchers, Deco can prove the authenticity of data, while ensuring privacy, and the startup is now in the process of integrating it. And it says down here, Deco said Nazarov is going to make all kinds of data available. Identity data, for example, can be verified, allowing transaction to meet your known customer KYC or anti-money laundering requirements without exposing any sensitive information on chain. Notably, he said, Deco has already attracted interest even from outside the blockchain space. So overall, Chainlink was one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in 2020, but will it continue in 2021? I am personally incredibly bullish on Chainlink, what we still have to come, like staking and other big integrations, but I personally think the future is looking incredibly bright for Chainlink. I want to know your thoughts down below. What are your personal opinions on Chainlink? This is the next article I'm going to show you, and it says data shows new investors flooded into Chainlink in 2020. Upside imminent. Over the past few weeks, Chainlink's price action has been nothing short of lackluster, with the cryptocurrency failing to gain any serious momentum as investors widely shift their focus away from altcoins and towards Bitcoin. This trend shows few signs of letting up anytime soon, as most major altcoins are all stagnating as BTC continues showing signs of strength. Until Bitcoin enters a prolonged consolidation phase or slides lower, there is a strong possibility that it will continue gaining dominance over the market. Despite the short-term trend being bearish for altcoins like Chainlink, data does seem to suggest that the cryptocurrency is as fundamentally healthy as it has ever been. Chainlink could be well positioned to see some massive upside due to an ongoing accumulation trend amongst smaller network participants. They also note that while its price has gravely underperformed BTC and other altcoins like Ethereum, its largest whales are still holding strong, with there being no apparent whale sell-offs in sight. This could mean that once there is a rotation of capital away from Bitcoin and towards altcoins, Link will lead the charge and see some massive upside. And for show you this here, this is all of the integrations that Chainlink have done this year. They have made so many integrations as well as having incredible price action. At the start of this year, Chainlink was less than $2 and we ended up seeing it peak at $19.79. I personally think whilst Bitcoin is for now taking the show, I think later on in the few months, Chainlink and other cryptocurrencies are going to dominate. I personally do hold Bitcoin as well because I think it is one of the safest investments you can make. Now with Bitcoin, it is currently at $30,000, but for it to double in value, you would have to see it at $60,000. But for Chainlink to do the exact same, it would have to go from $10 to $20. I personally do think we can see above $100 Chainlink this year, as things are looking incredibly bright for Bitcoin and the rest of the market. We're now going to take a look at a short little clip from Sergey Nazarov explaining adoption of insurance companies.
I'm seeing people reinvent insurance because they've decided I am going to be the contract creator. I'm going to drive this and I'm going to make these contracts and put them in front of users and gain adoption based on this unique capability. If you decide to do that, you're going to need contract developers, you're going to need smart contract developers, you're going to need oracles to connect to data. And you're actually going to need to probably be doing this on multiple different chains to service various geographies and various users. And in that sense, what Chainlink can enable you to do is to get the data that you need into those contracts in a validated form, which is the form they need it into the contracts which you issue. And Chainlink can actually connect your internal systems to those contracts as well. So Chainlink, if you become an issuer or creator, it will do two key things for you. It'll enable you to architect out contracts that are properly connected with proof, external proof of events. And that is going to be literally 50% of the challenge you're going to need to solve. You're going to need to define what the proof is. You're going to need to get connected to sources. And you're going to need to validate that something actually happened. The second thing Chainlink will do for issuers and contract creators is it'll actually be the abstraction layer that enables their existing system to interact with various blockchains. And for multinational insurance providers and various other enterprises, this is going to be particularly important because they're going to find themselves in a situation where they want to issue and they want to create contracts on various platforms. But their choice is going to be, do I get 5 blockchain teams to learn 5 different platforms? Or do I do one integration with an abstraction layer like Chainlink that allows my existing systems to interact with the 5 environments I want to be in this year, plus the 5 environments next year, plus the 10 next year?
Now to finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and if we continue on from last week, As you can see here, we still are in the neutral phase. We are about to cross over into the bullish phase in my opinion, but I personally think that we will not fall below these $10 levels purely because it is a very key resistance level. If we do end up falling below these levels, I do think we will see it bought up very, very quickly, as we have seen multiple times. But overall, with Chainlink's future, it is looking very, very bright in the neutral phase at the moment. We have seen some very good buying opportunities over the past couple months. Yes, its price is not going crazy just yet, but we did see its price go over 600% in 2020. And I do think there are good buying opportunities anywhere above $10 at this time, purely because Chainlink is due a breakout. But I want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. What is your number one cryptocurrency for this year? Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or a regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video free. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 300 likes, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.